So I'll just on the create, I'll make this one as comment. Now let's focus on this job, making sure it's working. So if we go to this line on creating this thumbnail, basically what we need to do, we need to run the ffmpeg against from Proton from disk. So the disk will be videos stem, and there is also the command open. We need to make sure we open a file. Which file? It will be this file, video path will be the path that we are storing as we do in the previously, and then we just export it. Export. Okay, and then I think I make a mistake here, so it will be export, and then what we'll do to disk, I'm sorry, I forget one. After opening this, we need to get frame. This is the command is going to give us or create the thumbnail. Let's make it from 2 seconds, so it will take the thumbnail from 2 seconds time, and then to disk. The disk, we said we need it into videos, and then just save it. Here we need to put a path. So our path will be like, you know, that UID of file we need to create folder UID from the video, and then all files like videos that will be converted plus the image, the thumbnail. So in order to do that, I will create one. We can make it destination, for example. It will be like this, basically, plus or concatenate with this video and UID, then concatenate with backslash as well, and then concatenate with this video.uid, then basically the UID, then concatenate with PNG. So I'm using the UID for both the folder as well as the image. So this is destination. Let's keep it here, run it, then we should be good. Now let me go and try this one and see if it will work or not. Now just make sure that on the d.env file, in order to make this jobs working fine, we need to change the connection to be database. But in order to see the errors, whatever, so I'll keep it sync until we finish the converting, and then we'll get back to make it to work in the background. Now it's not working in the background. It's not normally. We will wait for the conversion. So refresh and then select from downloads, and then temp. I will select this sample, for example. Okay, one thing also here, I need to just make sure that on the size of, if we go to the configuration for Livewire, config Livewire, I think we need just to make sure that inside the rules also we need to make sure that this rule is not null, otherwise we have only this one, this size. So I'll add 2 zeros, and then we should be fine. Now just make sure that PHP artisan refresh configuration, config clear, and then let's go one more time, refresh it, select the file, and let's do it this way, this one. So now everything is fine, then we should be able to see, if we go here down on the side, the folder, sorry, under the storage, then I should have some under the app, and I should be having videos folder here that contains, everything is fine, not inside the images. It will be, so it's not, it looks like it's not working. And I think what we did, I did a mistake here, that I put all of this code inside the convert video. So I'll copy all of these, I'll cut and keep it inside the thumbnail. Sorry about that. So now let's go again and just go and refresh one more, select another file, and let's do this way. And now okay, there is a mistake. ffm jobs, class ffm jobs, and create. So there is a problem here inside the create. I need to add this one. When I click G, for example, I will add the Proton one as a namespace, and then go back and refresh. Let's do one more, and there's no errors. So let's go to our storage file, and hopefully we see the folder. Oops. So inside the storage I have the folder, and yeah, of course I have the folder. And then see here the mistake that I forgot to put dot inside the destination. Here it should be dot. Sorry about that. So one more time, and this is normal in such coding. So now we should have another folder with the correct image. Here we go. So I'm creating this one from the second number 2. So the create job is working fine.